Yeah, look how green it's getting, guys. Won't be much longer and we'll be probably wrapping it up for the year. But we got good overcast weather today and everything's wet. Anyhow, you see that one down through there? See them branches? We're gonna be right on the edge of the property picking this thing up. And right on the edge of the city, really. Decent little brown. Nice. We'll take that for today. A few minutes later, walked up on number 2, and they sure are popping today. See it out there? It's like a little better one. There's something else down the left there too. I think it's garbage. Anyhow, they sure are popping today. Now that they've been laying out, getting all bleached. Is that another? There's another one right there. See it? Heck yeah. Let's grab that one first. But getting bleached and with this cloud cover and stuff today. That looks like an old one, maybe. Get a quick picture. Yep, it's an old one. Sweet. There's those two. The other better ones right down here. And everything's turning so green, these white antlers are just sticking out like crazy. It's fun to find them like this when it's easy to see them. Another old one. It's a nice antler though, ain't too bad. I'll take that. Alright, now there's a pile.